Good morning, students. In ninth standard, in last period, we learned about activities based on perpendicular bisector. In this period, we learned about our next theorem. Theorem name is perpendicular bisector theorem. Two parts are available of this theorem. We see the proof of the theorem in two parts. Then firstly we see part first and then second part second. Perpendicular bisector theorem. Perpendicular bisector theorem. Then part first is statement of the part first is every point on the perpendicular bisector of a segment is equidistant from the endpoints of the segment. Every point on the perpendicular bisector of a segment is equidistant from endpoints of the segment. From endpoints of the segment. This is statement of the part first. Statement is every point on the perpendicular bisector of a segment is equidistant from the endpoints of the segment. Firstly, write given of this theorem is firstly draw line L. Line L is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Segment AB is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Given that line L is perpendicular bisector. Line L is perpendicular bisector of segment AB at point M. Point P is any point on L. P is any point on line L. This is given. We have given line L is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Line L is perpendicular bisector of segment AB at point M, and P is any point on line L. This is given. Next one, to prove that PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB. We have to prove this PA is equal to PB. Then construction is draw segment AP and BP. This is construction. Draw segment AP and BP. Draw segment AP and BP. This is construction. Then proof of the theorem part first is in triangle. In construction we join P and PB. Then we get two right angle triangle, that is triangle AP, triangle PMA and triangle PMB. Proof in triangle PMA and triangle PM, these two triangles are right angle triangle. Then segment PB, segment PM is congruent to segment PM. This is common side of two triangles. The reason is common side. Next one is angle PMA. Angle PMA is congruent to angle PMB. The reason is each of 90 degree or each of right angle. Each of right angle. Then segment AM is congruent to segment BM. We have given in the statement. From these 3 points, firstly, segment PM is congruent to segment PM, common side of the two triangles. Angle PMA congruent to angle PMB. This is each of angle is 90 degree or right angle. And segment AM is congruent to segment BM. This is given in the statement. Then from these 3 statements, therefore triangle PMA is congruent to triangle PMB. These 3 statements, triangle PMA is congruent to triangle PMB by side angle side test. By side angle side test. Therefore, we write as a therefore segment PA is congruent to segment PB, common side of these two triangles are congruent. Their congruent remaining sides are congruent. Congruent side of congruent triangle. Therefore, length PA is equal to length of PB. Length of PA is equal to length of PB. Hence every point on the perpendicular bisector of a segment upper segment is equidistant at the endpoints of the segment. At the endpoints of the segment. At the endpoints of the This is proof of the part first. Hence, every point on the perpendicular bisector of a segment is equidistant at the end points of the line segment. Next, we have seen proof of the part second. Statement of the part second is part second. Any point equidistant from the endpoints of the segment lies on the perpendicular bisector of the segment. Statement is any point equidistant from the endpoints of a segment lies on perpendicular bisector of the segment. Lies on perpendicular bisector of the segment. Any point statement of the part second is any point equidistant from the end points of the upper segment lies on the bisector of the segment. Given that given point P is any point P is any point equidistant from the endpoints of segment AB. That is PA is equal to PB. That is PA is equal to PB. To prove, we have to prove that point P is perpendicular bisector on segment AB. Point P is perpendicular bisector of segment A. We have to prove that point P is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Then construction is draw diagram. We have first cross segment AB. Take midpoint here of segment AD. Construction is take midpoint M of segment AB. Segment AB. We have firstly taken point P. Take midpoint M on segment AB and draw line PM. Draw line PM. Draw line PM. This is construction. Next, proof. Then join P and P. Proof of the theorem is in triangle PAM, and triangle PBM, and consider this two triangle PAM and PBM. Segment PA is congruent to segment PB. We have given in the, this is given, reason is. Next one is segment AM is congruent to segment PM. Reason is segment AM is congruent to segment PM. Then M is midpoint there. Reason is M is midpoint. Then AM is equal to BM. This is reason of second point. Next, segment PM is congruent to segment PM. This segment PM is congruent to segment PM. Common side of two triangles. Common side of two triangles. Therefore, from these 3 points, triangle PAM is congruent to triangle PBM. Triangle PAM is congruent to triangle PBM by side test. By side test, triangle PAM congruent to triangle PBM. Then triangle PMA is congruent to angle PMB. Congruent angle of congruent triangle. Congruent angle of congruent triangle. But angle PMA plus angle PMA and angle PMB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, PMA is congruent to PMB. Then write PMB as PMA. Then next step is angle PMA is common to angle PMA plus angle PMA is equal to 180 degree. Then 2 times angle PMA is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle PMA is equal to 90 degree. 2 is divided by 180, then angle PMA is in 180 degree. Therefore, segment PM is perpendicular to segment AB. Segment PM is perpendicular to segment AB. Equation number first. But point M is the midpoint of the segment AB. But point M is midpoint of segment AB. Point M is midpoint of segment AB. We have given in the construction. Equation number 2. Therefore, line EM PM is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Perpendicular bisector. So point P is on the perpendicular bisector of AB. Point P is perpendicular bisector of AB. This is proof of the theorem, part second. Then our next point is angle bisector theorem. This is also 2 parts. Then we will see it next period. Okay, thank you.